ha ha ha! For being a bad Barbie robot, I sentenced you to blow up and all your robot features. Is that what you think? Is that right? Do I have it down? Okay, you ready? Fire in the hole, Aidan.
Okay!
Come on. Ooh. Well, I didn't do nothing. Get the M80s, baby. Get the M80s.
Awesome.
Awesome. Haha, because it didn't work, we're going to try this again. Uh-oh. Here we go. Ow. Did it work? Heck no. Where's them M80s?
Darn it.
Yeah, darn it. We'll try that again.
Oh my God, wait!
She's so hot. It blew her shirt off. That's so wrong. Yeah, that's wrong. Okay. Bye-bye. Turn your head, baby.